Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll show you how to burn an ISO file to DVD and guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your ISO into a working DVD. Step 1. Locate the ISO file you want to burn on your computer. Right-click on the file, go to Properties, and check the Opens With option. Make sure it is set to Windows Explorer, because this ensures the system can use the built-in disk image burner. Step 2. Right-click on the ISO file again, and this time choose the option Burn Disk Image. On Windows 11, you may need to click on Show More Options to see it. This step is important because it launches the Windows Disk Image Burner tool. Step 3. Insert a blank writable DVD into your DVD drive, then select the correct drive in the burner window. Finally, click on the Burn button, and your ISO will be written to the DVD. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.